All right, and with that, we will begin, and we'll start at the top. House Bill 8, North Carolina Managing Environmental Waste Act of 2025. Representative Warren, you had a podium, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So if you've been here since 2019, you know this bill probably as well as I do. This is the Manage Environmental Waste Act. The only thing that's changed in it is the year. This is of 2025. This bill, we passed this bill 3 different times over to the Senate. In 2019, as House Bill H28, we passed it 115 to 1. 2021, 116 to 0. And last year, 117 to 1. I'm shooting for something to 0 this time. It simply makes the state try to catch up to what the private sector is doing in managing environmental waste. I'd be open to any questions.
I think I have a motion also. Any questions of Representative Warren? Seeing none, for a motion, Representative Watford, you're recognized.
Mr. Chairman, thank you. I'd like to make a favorable report for House Bill number 8.
Excellent. Ladies and gentlemen of the committee, you've heard the motion. Motion is properly in front of us. All those in favor signify by saying aye. Those opposed, no. Ayes have it. Congratulations, Representative Warren. House 16, General Assembly.